Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter from geography, that is resources and development. See, this is the chapter 1 of geography. I know during this time you don't have book and you are facing problem. To clear your problem, I have made this video for you. So listen and look video carefully. See, here you are looking a triangle. In this triangle we are seeing what is written: physical environment, institutions, technology, and in between that is human beings. See, what is trying to say this triangle? It means that human beings has relation, link between these three connection. Okay, now next we will see that how resources are classified. See, first we will see that resources are classified into two types, that is natural and human. In natural we will see that it is divided into two types, renewable and non-renewable. In human we will see it is divided into two types, structures and institutions, quantity and quality. So next we will come that renewable is divided into two types, continuous and biological. Biological, that is also divided into natural, vegetation and wildlife. Non-renewable, that is divided into recycle and non-recycle. You know very well that is renewable. What do you mean by renewable? It means that it can renew again and again. That is water, wind, solar energy. And non-renewable, it is just opposite to renewable. That is coal. Okay. Next we will see now types of resources. See, it is divided on the basis. See, first on the basis of origin. See, on the basis of origin, what do you mean this? It is divided into two types, that is biotic resources and abiotic. Simply we will say that biotic resources, what is biotic resource? It is living things, and abiotic resources, that is non-living things. And on the basis of exhaustibility, it is divided into two types, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable means it can renew again and again, that is solar, wind, you know very well. And non-renewable, that cannot be renewed again and again, that is fossil fuels, coal, etc. Now on the basis of ownership, on the basis of ownership, it is divided into four types, that is individual, community, national and international. See, first we will see that individual resources, it means it is a personal use. For example, if you are having farmland, that can be used personally but not by whole person. Okay, so it is known as individual resources. Now second community, that is community owned resources. It means that can be used by village person or more than one person. For example, parking land, grazing areas. Okay, it can be used more than one person in a community sense. Now on the basis of this ownership, now third category, that is national level. See, national level, it means public goods, public property. For example, what is public goods and public properties? See, railway, highway, they are using for everyone, public people. So they are known as national resources. Okay. Now last category, that is international resources. Now this international resources, what? It means beyond national level, that is economic zone. It means, for example, in ocean, within 22 kilometer, it is national. That is the approach of national. It means that I have our power. Nationals, we can say that our country has power within 22 kilometers of oceans. But beyond, if we say after 22, more than 200 kilometers in oceans, we don't have powers. Nationals, countries, it means that they don't have power. But international, it means that the ocean resources beyond 200 miles, that is, belong to open ocean, and no individual country can utilize this without the concurrence of international institution. So it is known as international resources. Okay, do you get this thing here? That there are types of resources. That on the types of resources, what we have seen, that it is divided on the basis of origin, that is biotic and abiotic, on the basis of exhaustibility, that is renewable and non-renewable, on the basis of community, that is level, individual, community level, national level, international level. Okay, here it is clear to all. I think here you got this from this video. So listen carefully, and I have already sent a video, previous video, you also see there, and I have given some question also regarding this. To look that videos and write notes and question answer. Okay friends.